Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Perth right now, and I have get on to another train back to the other way on the Mandurah line, and I'll end its journey at Canning Bridge, which is actually 2 stations from Perth. Perth, Elizabeth Quay, and then we're at Canning Bridge. I'll get off there and we'll go back to uni. That's a lot of people on this train, so that's why I chose the first car again to film. The train should take around 2 more minutes to depart, I think. So I guess we'll wait for the train to depart. More B trains, of course. Hopefully we can get some A trains later on, but the A trains are very old. The B trains are the newer generation, so that's why mostly, very soon, all will be B trains. So that's why I might just overall conclude them as trains instead of B trains, you know. I think the doors is closing on the outside. Yes, it is. I really want to have one time that I can film a train entering as well, but not really have a lot of chances right now. Later on, maybe. Maybe after we film all of the full journeys and stuff. Oh, door closing. Here we go. Elizabeth Quay. Oh! Actually, I get how to separate the generations now, because the style of the seats are different, but they're all B trains. Okay, the door doesn't open again.
This is Elizabeth Quay. Alight here for the bus port.
Yep, there's a bus port here, which I just took the bus over here to get onto the train.
Doors closing.
Oh, this is how you recognize the generations. Okay. For B trains, there are a total of 3 generations, and I probably have took 2 of the generations now because of the last train. I did the premiere with one type of trains, which you guys will be seeing at the end of the day. And I have also got this train with all of the seats actually just lying out on the side. But the train that I just took for the premiere actually has seats like Airport Express, like a first class. All right, Canning Bridge, going back out. I'm just taking Mandurah line today. I'm not taking other lines. Now, the good thing about Perth trains are It's not like Hong Kong. Every single line, there are views for you guys to enjoy, so. Like I said in previous videos, I cannot really talk too loud on the trains due to the fact that everyone around me knows English, so that's why we cannot talk too loud. When they would like understand me what I'm talking about, then they would know that I'm actually filming. And I think at the start of the day, I'm actually sitting down filming, and I film way too much. I'm moving way too much when I film. It's like filmed like 360 degrees around on the train, just turn around always, and then the person just caught me there. That's why stand on the side to film is the best way, I think, in Perth, just to film here. Now, there are no laws actually saying you cannot film on the train, so I'm free to film. I'm not so sure about buses though. I'm gonna do the exact same strategy for buses. I'm gonna sit like around at the top, at the back of the bus, and then we just film it with the phone on the side. Not just like holding the phone, like just like that. Not really just like filming. Doesn't seem to be filming, but I'm actually filming that kind of style. You guys will be seeing the ocean views later on in the premiere, so that's why stay tuned for tonight's premiere around 10:30 to 11 maybe. And also I'm hiding the phone behind a barrier, so that's why people behind me cannot see I'm actually filming. It's just the people at the front of me who can actually see, but there's actually only one dude, which is right over there, one dude over there, and he can't see me right now, so that's why. But Canning Bridge Station doors open on the right, so I'll get off on the right later on. I'll film the trains into parts. No one will be like me actually standing on these type of trains because there's so many seats all over the place. Why not just sit down, you know? Are we arriving at Canning Bridge? I think we are. I think it is at the front. I'm still need to take a bus over to uni, so go back to uni first. I'll buy some things first and then we'll get ready for my dinner. While I'm eating dinner, I'm gonna upload, so. Canning Bridge. I need to find the bus station. Which should be just like next to it. Oh, there's a bus up there, so it should be just taking those. Oh, I thought it's doors opening on the right. Apparently it's on the left, so perfect. Let's get off this side.
This is Canning Bridge.
Alright, Canning Bridge. Getting off, and we'll wait for the train to leave, which should not take too long. Remember to like and subscribe, click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. Check out the links in the description down below for my other channels and my Instagram. Click on these videos up top, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!